Do you want to earn extra money? Who wouldn't, right? In the unpredictable world of today, having an additional income stream is not just a luxury, but a necessity. And the good news? There are numerous ways to make that happen. Let's dive right in. First, consider your skills. What are you good at? Maybe you're a whiz at preparing mouth-watering dishes, or perhaps you're a tech geek who can troubleshoot any gadget in a snap. These are not just skills, they are potential gold mines. You can offer your services as a freelancer on various online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. It's all about putting your skills to work and getting paid for it. Second, think about the things you no longer use. That guitar gathering dust in the corner or the vintage camera you've outgrown. These items could be someone else's treasure. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist are perfect for selling pre-loved items. Not only will you declutter your space, but you'll also make some money in the process. Third, ever thought about investing? It might sound intimidating, but it's not as complex as you might think. There are various platforms available that allow you to start investing with as little as $5. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, investing your money can potentially yield significant returns over time. Fourth, consider monetizing your hobby. Do you love writing? Start a blog and monetize it through advertising or affiliate marketing. Are you passionate about photography? Sell your photos online. Whatever your hobby is, there's likely a way to monetize it. Lastly, think about passive income. This is income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. This could be from renting out a property, earning royalties from a book or song you've written, or even creating an online course that people can purchase and learn from at their own pace. In conclusion, earning extra money is a multi-step process that involves identifying your skills, selling items you no longer use, considering investment opportunities, monetizing your hobby, and creating passive income streams. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. The key is to start small and expand as you learn more and become more comfortable with each method. Remember, every little bit helps and it all adds up over time. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? The power is in your hands. Make the most of it and start your journey towards earning extra money today.